Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear audience, the topic that I am going to discuss is very hot topic, and it is very important concept that you people must know. Whenever, wherever you will go, you will intentionally or intentionally look for that. What is quality? Let's suppose you are required to purchase a cell phone, wristwatch, laptop, purse, bag, or anything else. And what will you look for that? And you are looking for quality. You are again and again looking for quality. Nowadays, wherever you go, you see slogans like quality food, quality education, quality hospital. Even my way to university, I saw a pamphlet and a banner which displays quality residence, quality hostels. Now, what is a quality? Let's suppose laptop a quality laptop. Another question, is this a quality training? Is our tea and snacks are quality snacks, quality tea? Is this room, is this conference room is a quality room? No, very important point is this: how will you determine what is quality? If you are asked, is your cell phone is a quality cell phone? Is your education is quality education? There are various things. That's why wherever you go, you seek, you look for quality, intentionally or intentionally. Now, we will further proceed. The learning objective of today's session is the meaning of quality, importance of quality, and how to determine quality. That is missing in it. Quality quantification, how will you quantify quality and describe what is quality management. Now, first of all, competition is driving force in every business. In case of universities, there is a furious competition to have lot of students, number of students. But how can we force people, compel people to come this institute, join this institute? What are its salient features in terms of quality? And what are the weapons for competition? How will you compete? Number one, quality. Quality is a weapon. And if you know educational quality, you can have a lot of students. Next is reliability, delivery, and price. There can be various dimensions for quality. First of all, what is the perception of quality? Once you get a reputation, it is hard to lose it. Let's suppose LUMS has its own reputation. IBA, Zabist in Karachi, they have their own repute, and it is very hard for them to lose this reputation. How they develop this reputation? This is their quality education. Next, no business can succeed if the product has no quality and guaranteed consistency. There are various definitions regarding quality. Quality is a subjective term for which each person has his or her own definition. A product can be a quality product for you, but it may not be a quality product for other persons. No, the definition provided by quality gurus is as follows. Quality is customer delight. Quality is meeting or exceeding customer expectation. Fitness for use. Conformance to requirement. Value for price paid for any product or service. No, there are two different views.